Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 916 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this Ciate London Dewy Stix Luminous Highlighting Balm. And this is a product that I got in my Lost June 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box that I hadn't been able to review yet because I didn't get that box until July. Now it's already August, which is crazy. But I'm excited to try this out. It sounds really nice when I was looking it up online. I got it in the shade Glow, but I saw that it comes in 3 different shades. There's also more of like a pinky shade and more of a bronzy shade. I think this one here is the champagne shade. But it has really nice ingredients in it, hyaluronic acid and other moisturizing ingredients. And you can get it at Sephora. It retails for $26. The packaging on it is really cute. Kind of hard for it to focus on camera, but it has little stars on it. It's surprisingly lighter in weight than I was expecting based off of how it looks. But I do like that it's a twist up, kind of like a chubby stick type of application. I'm gonna do a little swatch first. Ooh, that's pretty. It actually has really great shine and glow. It's nothing too shimmery at all. It's more like shine, and that's what this is advertised as, and that's what I was expecting. But you can see that swatch there. That looks really pretty. And my skin and my makeup today really is feeling dull. So this is like the perfect product to apply when I want just some natural glow and sheen, which is exactly what I do want today. So it says if you're applying it over makeup to tap it on with your finger, and I do have a little bit of makeup on my skin, so I am just going to do the tapping technique. Yeah, ooh. I just applied a little bit and it already gave glowiness to my skin. And it looks and feels like it gives hydration to my skin as well. This isn't very good. It did move my foundation, so kind of lifted it because I can definitely see a lot more redness peeking through now, so that is a bummer. Probably a product that's better on no foundation types of looks. But the texture of it, aside from the fact that it removes makeup, is really nice because it's very jelly. It's a balm, but it kind of looks and feels like a gel on the skin. It just looks really smooth and shiny, but it's not shimmery. That really did add dewiness to my skin. But I think just my personal preference, I prefer shimmer glow rather than shiny glow, because this just kind of gives the look of being sweaty and greasy, and that's not what I want. It definitely added that sheen to my dry, dull looking skin, but I don't know if I love that. I just feel like I'd start to be self-conscious and want to blot the shininess, because when my skin looks shiny like this, that's exactly when I want to put on a powder, absorb the oil, go in with a blotting sheet. But this product is purposely making it look that way. And that's what I was expecting, but now that I'm seeing it on my face, I don't love it. Let's see. It said to apply to the brow bone, but shininess on the brow bone, where it's sheen, not shimmer. Not sure I love that. I don't really know where I could apply this, that I want it to be shiny like this. The only thing I could really think of is for this to be a base to a shimmery powder highlighter, because then it'll just kind of amp it up even more, since it's creating like a stickier, shiny surface for that to stick to. But if it's going to move my foundation anyways, then I don't really see a point to that because I don't want to apply a product that's just gonna lift the foundation. But if you are someone that loves a shininess to the skin, it does kind of give that glass skin effect, but in my opinion, it just looks a little bit too greasy on me. But some people love the shiny skin effect, and for those people, this is a great product because it gives exactly that. I don't even really think that I've tried a product before that gives the skin this much shine. So I guess that's kind of cool. I do really appreciate a product that does something a little different than products I've tried before. But let me know, what types of highlighters do you prefer? Even some people prefer matte highlighters. Do you like matte highlighters? Do you like shiny highlighters? Do you like shimmery? Let me know, I'd be very curious. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.